this one. Today's the first day, and it's supposed to start in 15 minutes, but we'll see. It's gonna take a little bit to get there.
Hopefully they opened a couple of minutes early.
Yeah.
Might just have to sit outside and wait for a few minutes.
Yeah, depending what time we get there. So today's the first day, and it's on tomorrow too.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
Ah, yes. Ooh, it's open. This is one we thought might not be open.
Right.
So,
I'm gonna just back up here.
okay.
Check my battery. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
For a little bit.
Okay. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Oh, what'd you do?
Playing basketball, I fell up and I came down and I broke it.
It broke. Wow.
Ouch.
Bummer.
Probably have a Looney.
No, they always do that.
I'll get a lemonade.
$1. Thank you. How much? Full glass or half a glass?
A full glass, or however much $1 gets me.
And then refills are 25 cents.
Oh, sweet. Well, I might have to come back for a refill then.
Okay. Tell me when.
That's good.
Okay.
Thanks. Awesome.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Lemonade. It's better than the last lemonade I got.
Maybe I'll have to get some iced tea.
That's it? Just some plate stands?
Yeah.
Spent more on lemonade.
Are you taking the money?
Yes, yep.
Okay, sure.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. I'll get a refill. Can I have iced tea though as a refill, or does that work?
Yeah, that works.
I don't know what the policies are around here. I mean, I don't want to break policy.
I'll have an iced tea.
Okay. Thank you.
Are you doing well selling your iced tea and lemonade?
Yeah.
You're doing well from us, that's for sure.
Yeah?
Yeah. Same amount or?
Yeah. Just up to the little line there on the side is probably perfect.
Oh, I think you
Beautiful.
got some other customers too.
Thanks a
Started
lot.
something. We'll like make
Start
lots of...
raking in the money here.
We'll just start making, we'll see. This is so good, and then have people look out. Sure, that's fine. Thank you.
Hi.
I'll have the lemonade.
Okay, thanks.
Thank
Have a good
you.
day.
See ya. She's just so nice.
Yeah. Like that last week stuff I had was just bad tasting.
It was probably like, I don't know, organic or sugar-free
Yeah.
or something.
This is actually quenching, so I'm not minding it.
It is quenching, yeah.
Even though it's weak, it's so cold. I think that's what makes the difference.
Oh, yeah, probably. Are you just chugging it? Oh. Do you want to put yours underneath mine?
Okay.
Are you good, or do you want mine?
No, I'm good. I like to support the kids out
I
there.
liked her. And she played basketball.
Yeah,
So I was like, oh. And now I'm
there's a
fine.
girl after your heart.
Yes. This one Was on yesterday. Today's the last day. It only started 2 hours ago. And it's supposed to have antiques at it.
Oh, okay.
So, we'll see. It's an alley, too.
Okay.
Oh, is that it? Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Where are we gonna park?
Just up by the fence. Yeah. Can you get out?
Can anybody get by us?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I'm in the weeds.
Your turn. Usually it's me trying to fight my way out of the jungle.
Yeah, welcome to the jungle.
Yep.
Totally.
Mm-hmm.
Battery check. Yeah, there's still got a little life in there.
Usually it's when they measure, it's the... Do you like that? Sturgis?
I don't like the long sleeves.
Okay. Do you like that one?
Yeah, except it's for a woman.
Oh, these are Sturgis pants.
$5.
2 for $1. Wow.
I know. It's a good deal for that jacket.
Well, these are only 50 cents. I'm sure I'd wear these like for
I don't know, the purple's your color, unfortunately.
pajamas.
But for $5, maybe it could be. I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know if I want 2 things. I guess I could wear something like that, like to work. I don't want the hangers though. They probably do so. Yeah, that's more of a riding jacket though.
It
eh?
is. It is a riding jacket. So. Oh, it's got a hoodie underneath it.
Oh yeah. Wow.
I thought that was just the inside of it, but
Yeah, somebody probably spent a lot of money on that.
oh yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's nice.
It is nice, isn't it?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Good.
Enjoying the sunshine.
Yes.
Right.
Oh, look at this. Little tiny stove for your camper.
Yeah. Oven even.
Lululemon.
Not sailing.
Oh, it's super odd.
Wow, is it ever?
Oh, there's...
Yeah. Puppy.
Yes.
Oh, what you got on your side there? A little bit of a hernia, or?
No, it's a fatty growth. They
Oh.
The name it is.
Okay. Well, that's not too bad.
No, we were worried about being cancer, so we took him in.
Look at this.
All the Pyrex people are going to lose their mind.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that.
They're like new.
Yeah, you're right, they are.
They're just not popular here.
They're not. Well, the inside is a little...
That would probably come off though. It's the outside that
But
usually...
yeah, you're right. The Pyrex is just not a big seller out here.
Nope.
And with our shipping the way it is, you can't even buy it and resell it online because the shipping eats up all the profit.
Yep.
It would be like $30 to ship that,
Well,
just because of how heavy it is. The
yeah.
the little
weighty
glass Pyrex,
and it's
yeah.
big. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Dixie.
Hi. Hello.
She didn't want to come see me.
Hi,
Seemed a
honey.
little shy.
Maybe I smell better.
Likes the girls though.
You're a good girl. Hey?
Yeah. See, she backs away when I put my hand out. Yes, I'm a bitch, just not yours. You're not gonna get that.
That's awesome.
That seems like something you'd wear.
Kind of, yeah.
I mean, they've even got your picture on it. Doesn't that look like you?
Nice. Oh. Hi, baby.
probably gonna be hotter today, I think, than they said it was.
I
It
think
is hotter
so.
than they said it was going to
Yeah,
get.
yeah.
You're right.
It's warm.
Oh, you're nervous about me, aren't you? Yeah, doesn't want to
Oh.
look at me.
Does he make you nervous? He's okay. Are you
See,
coming
as soon as I
back?
back away, she's right up on you.
He's got his faves.
Oh,
yes.
it's a he? Is it a he?
Yeah.
Oh, you
Well, that's
good.
why he likes the girls, eh?
Yeah, good boy.
Yeah, does not like me. Oh, yeah, there he goes.
Bye-bye. Oh,
Wow.
he's like, no.
See, he's still backing away. I don't.
Oh, you're a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy.
It's okay, buddy. It's okay.
No, stop talking to me.
Yeah. I like the women. That's it.
Yeah, he's a ladies' man. He can't help it.
Yeah. I know how it is.
Got a couple pieces of clothing. It's a 2 for $1.
That's good, yeah.
Thank you. Bye. You be a good boy. No.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just, I'm going to go over here.
Aww.
I feel so rejected.
Yeah.
I'll talk to him.
He's just having a bad day.
Yeah,
honey.
yeah. I'd probably remind him of somebody he knows that he doesn't like.
Yeah. See ya. Yeah, this is really.
Every time, eh? That dog would be like, no.
Yeah, that was funny. What the heck?
Every time.
But he
That-
should.
that-
He didn't mind me.
No, he likes you.
He was wagging his tail when I was talking.
But I want to
to
get down and pet him. No. I'm just going to go
Your
over here
voice.
now.
It's too.
I guess. Maybe it's too deep.
Baby.
I don't know.
That's funny.
I don't smell like pepperoni enough, maybe?
I don't know.
Oh, boy.
What's up?
Big, like,
Oh, it's out.
horsefly on the window. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Or funny dog. This is like,
Does not want to.
it's not funny.
I don't know.
Because you don't
What-
even smell like another dog anymore.
No.
That's unusual. 'Cause, yeah, they usually love you.
Usually the pets just, run right up to me and get some loving.
Mm-hmm.
Not him. He's good. He's like, nah, I'm good.
But she could pet me.
Yes. Well, and the other two girls that were there too, came in behind us.
Oh, he went to them?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
That's why I say he likes the ladies,
Oh, yeah. The soft voice, maybe. And
but he doesn't
'cause when I-
like the boys.
when I was talking to him, his tail was wagging. He likes to be talked to.
check the battery here. Oh, mic's not plugged in. It is now.
Oh, what happened there? Did you unplug it?
I must have.
Oh,
Yeah, I just found $2.
nice.
It's been there a little while.
That's okay.
I gotta change batteries. Hey guys, thanks again for coming with us on another great picking adventure. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up down below. It's a great way to support our channel and it helps push this video out to people who don't know about us yet. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might as well click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything and it means you'll get notified every time we put out a new video. And why wouldn't you want that? Thanks again, we love you guys, and on to the next.